How to fix Cng.sys file missing / failed BSOD error on Windows. 1. Run Microsoft's BSOD online fixer. 2. Restore an earlier version of Windows. 3. Download and install pending updates. 4. Run a full malware scan of your computer, using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 5. Restart in safe mode to locate the troublemaker. 6. Run disk cleanup. 7. Perform a startup repair in Windows Safe Mode. 8. Perform an SFC scan to fix Cng.sys missing error. 9. Update driver's graphics card using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.